The W16 engine has been the heartbeat of every Bugatti since the Veyron's debut in 2005. The final W16 was always going to be something special, exclusive, sophisticated and potent. This is why Bugatti created the ultimate roadster, the W16 Mistral. It is at the top of its class. But what makes this beast unique, and what features does it have to offer? A significant portion of all Bugatti's vehicles ever produced had open-top designs, generating a lengthy line of performance icons that are still admired worldwide. Since there had not yet been a roadster during the Chiron 1 period, the W16 Mistral continues this tradition in response to the great demand from customers for a brand new way to enjoy the powerful performance of the renowned engine. The W16 Mistral, which was influenced by more than a century's worth of open-top legends, begins the next chapter in the Bugatti Roadster tale. The Roadster required a name that was more than just a modification of the Chiron. It needed a moniker representing freedom, elegance and speed. The Mistral, a strong wind that originates in the Rhone River Valley and travels through the posh cities of the Côte d'Azur in southern France before entering the Mediterranean, served as the inspiration. Built around the Chiron Supersport 300+3's original 1,600 PS W16 engine, the W16 Mistral provides performance unmatched by any other open-top vehicle. To accommodate the new open-top design, the previous monocoque was not simply chopped off above the A-pillars, rather it was re-engineered and contoured to give the vehicle a more rounded look without sacrificing performance. The W16 Mistral will always have importance in the history of Bugatti, representing the final time that possibly the finest automotive power plant ever is employed in a road-going production car. The design team was under extreme pressure to provide a style that would quickly represent this historic occasion and would be influenced by some of the most stunning roadsters in Bugatti history. The 1934 Bugatti Type 57 Roadster Grand Raid, a sporty roadster that epitomizes tasteful style, served as their model. This specific Grand Raid, on exhibit at the Lauman Museum in Den Haag, is distinguished by its twin aerodynamic headrests that flow rearward into the bodywork and a cut-down V-shaped windscreen. It is effortlessly stylish with subdued sportiness. It makes the ideal inspiration for this turning point in Bugatti's history, finished in a two-tone black and yellow livery. Warm black with traces of truffle brown and subdued yellow highlights make up the W16 Mistral's premier color scheme, which was inspired by the Bugatti Type 57 Roadster Grand Raid. The W16 Mistral's curved windscreen gives the impression of wrapping over the A-pillars and integrating smoothly into the side windows, giving the car a visor look that alludes to its motorsport-level performance. The windscreen is just curved enough to achieve the rounded visor shape without impairing the driver's visibility. The legendary Bugatti C-Line, first seen on the Chiron, gains a new three-dimensional character as it flows back below the side glass and shoots through to the front horseshoe grille. The oil cooler intakes on the side were purposefully set apart from the engine air intakes, which now reside on the roof, directly behind the passengers. To express the W16 Mistral's new personality, Bugatti completely redesigned its frontal aspect, aligning it with the vertical layout of their one-of-a-kind or limited edition models like Devo 4 and La Voiture Noire 5. The headlamps, which are stacked vertically, are entirely custom-made, and the iconic horseshoe grille has been redesigned to be considerably more three-dimensional, as well as broader and deeper. At the back, they set a task for themselves to improve on Bolede's 6X-themed tail-light pattern, which has forever changed the landscape of automotive design. A car like the W16 Mistral demands the meticulous application of Bugatti's design tenet, with each component conceived not just to establish new standards for beauty, but also to play a part in attaining whole new levels of performance. The headlights themselves are ingeniously sculpted, including a four-light signature that discreetly references the W16 Mistral's four-wheel drive and four turbochargers. The triangular area between the X-beams and the side radiators is connected via ducts to the X-tail light, which has the purpose of venting the side oil coolers. As a result, a pressure drop is formed between the side intakes and the back outputs of the W16 Mistral, which aids in efficiently managing the massive W16's mid-temperature cooling circuit. The useful design features don't stop there either. Since each of the new Ram induction air scoops beneath the headrests was built specifically to withstand rigorous rollover tests, they can carry the whole weight of the vehicle in the event of a rollover. The symphony between the low-down, powerful, rumbling 8-litre displacement intake roar at throttle and the blow-off whistle from the 4 turbochargers at throttle lift is highlighted by this revised intake arrangement, further enhancing the driver's W16 experience. There is nothing like it in terms of sound in the world of automobiles. The W16 Mistral incorporates the most recent engineering advancements to provide unmatched levels of beauty and exhilaration. Advanced composite materials from Bugatti are combined with state-of-the-art titanium and aluminum 3D printing to produce stunning designs with top performance and unwavering dependability. Engineers were able to create lightweight solutions that would provide optimal handling and performance, even in the most difficult circumstances, thanks to a thorough investigation of the dynamic stiffness of the W16 Mistral. The W16 Mistral's interior is modelled after the Chiron and has been finely tuned to provide a setting that is at once attractive and opulent, whilst also being practical enough to guarantee that all information is clearly visible at speeds of up to 420 km an hour. Intricately woven leather that was rigorously tested and created to Bugatti quality standards with the intention of frequent use over the course of a century is utilised on the freshly designed door panels. The gear shifter, which was machined from a solid block of aluminum, also pays homage to the W16 Mistral's legendary ancestors by including a touch of wood and an amber inset that contains Rembrandt Bugatti's renowned dancing elephant sculpture. Variations of this sculpture decorated the famed Type 41 Royale, the most opulent roadster ever made, on its bonnet. The ambitious 12.7-litre straight-8 engine of the Royale was a first of its kind in the world, sitting behind the enormous side-opening hood. The same engine that powered the Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus to a record-breaking speed of 304.773 mph in 2019 is used in the W16 Mistral, which boasts 1,600 PS. There can be just one objective in mind: to regain the world record for the fastest roadster. The marriage of the roadster format and the W16 power plant is absolutely remarkable. Driving the W16 Mistral makes you feel more closely connected to the intricate workings of this groundbreaking powertrain than any other Bugatti to date. With the roof off and 2 sizable air intakes directly behind your head, feeding roughly 70,000 litres of air through the engine every minute at full bore, the experience is unmatched. With W16 Mistral, Bugatti carries on a history of Bugatti roadsters, each of which is unparalleled in terms of design, performance and rarity, and dates all the way back to the founding of Bugatti. By the way, only 99 W16 Mistral models will be produced, with prices starting at €5 million net and delivery starting in 2024. But we can all attest it's quite a stunning, lovely car. Anyway, what do you think of the new Bugatti W16 Mistral? Is it something you would want to have in your collection? That's all from this video. See you in the next one.